Hello everyone there. Welcome back. I am Shweta and today we are going to see our practice of HTML coding session 3rd. So let us begin and see. Today we are going to solve again two more CSS questions. So let's see one by one. So the first question comes here is write a program using HTML with following CSS specification. First, the background color of the company name should be in green. So you want to create a program here. You have to write company name. So here in this question, company name is not given. So you can write any company name, and that company name, that background color of the company name means color company नाम जो भी नाम लिखोगे आप उसके background color कौन सा आना चाहिए, उसका background का color कौन सा आना चाहिए, green. Okay, and the text color of the company name should be red. So whatever is the company's name, that company's name should be in which color? It should be in red color. The heading should be large with font Comic Sans MS. So heading should be large means you want to use H1 H2 like this type of heading, and the font name should be Comic Sans MS. Okay, now lastly the description of the company should be displayed in the blue color in a paragraph. So whatever company you are going to write, that company name should be in red color and the company's name background, it should be in green color, and it should have the heading with large size, and the font name of that company name should be Comic Sans MS. You want to write some description about that company, and that should be in blue color, and whatever the description you're writing about that company वो आपको किस में लिखना है, पैराग्राफ के अंदर. Okay, now let's do this question. So notepad, start writing the coding. HTML, then whatever you want to write, head, what you want to write, head. Then if you want to give the title, give the title. Here, what is the title? Company. So whatever company you're writing, that you're going to write the details of that company. Then style is enclosed within the head tag. Then what it is told, mention that you want to write the company name in heading, right? It should be in large heading. So I'm using H1. उसके लिए मैं ये H1 का use कर रही हूँ. Then background color of that heading should be background of the heading. So I'm going to write here background color colon. It should be in which color? Green color, right? Then semicolon, I want to give the text color, so I will write text color. Instead of text you are writing only color should be in red. Then again semicolon, and font dash family, it should be what? It should be Comic Sans MS, right? Comic Sans MS. Then only this much is for heading. Okay, company name जो भी लिखोगे वो heading के लिए आपको ये सब चाहिए. Then next you want to write paragraph, right? उसके कंपनी का डिस्क्रिप्शन आप पैराग्राफ में लिखने वाले हो, तो पैराग्राफ का कलर कौन से इसमें आना चाहिए? सो द कलर ऑफ वॉट एवर द टेक्स्ट यू आर राइटिंग in the paragraph, that should be in blue color. So we are going to write it in this way. Then we will close the style. I'm closing the style. Then I'm closing the head. Then I'm opening the body. I'm going to write H1. Okay. Now जो भी कंपनी का नाम आपको लिखना है, आप कुछ भी कंपनी का नाम लिख सकते हो. So suppose I will align this in center. कंपनी को मैं center में align. Name of that company, I'm aligning it in the center. It is up to you. If you are not writing it in center, will do. It is not mentioned that it should be in center. So it's okay if you're not writing center also. Here I'm writing the company name as Tata Motors. Anything. I'm closing H1. Paragraph, we want to write the description of टाटा मोटर्स इन पैराग्राफ. सो आई एम राइटिंग पी एंड मैंने नेट पे टाटा मोटर्स का सर्च करके रखा है. I will select few lines of this and I will copy paste it. Okay, so I will just copy paste some of the lines. Control C and I will paste it over here. Control V. Okay, so close the para. Okay, then finish. We are done with the coding. Now we will close the body and we will again close the HTML as well. Now save this practical. I think this is our fifth practical. So I will save this file with name pract fifth. Pract 5 I have already done. Okay, 6.html. Okay, I'm saving it. Just save that file. Now let us open that file. I will just open that file. It's on desktop. Pract 6. I will double click it. Now see the output. Oh, sorry. This is not the output. Pract 5, Pract 6. See, this is the output. So Tata Motors Center, then background color of Tata Motors, company name का background color क्या आना चाहिए, green, और company name red color में आना चाहिए. देन जो भी इसके बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन लिख रहे हैं वो कौन से कलर में आना चाहिए, ब्लू. ओके, एंड और इसको हम लोग ने कॉमिक सैंस एमएस का फॉन्ट फैमिली दिया, इसलिए इसका फॉन्ट अलग दिख रहा है. ओके, एंड अगेन इट इज इन H1, so it is in large font. Okay, so this is about the coding, this is the output of that coding. So I hope this is clear to. It is very easy. Okay, now let's see the another coding, another question. So the next question is, write a program using HTML with following CSS specifications to create a form that should accept. Now यहाँ पे आपको फॉर्म बनाना है with CSS. Okay, you should accept the name, contact number of office, and this contact number of office, it should be compulsory, means it is required. Then month, number of years completed between 1 to 30 from the user, create submit button to send the data and refresh button to reload the page. Then the heading of the form should have border, text color should be red. ओके, तो आपको एक फॉर्म बनाना है, उसका हेडिंग देना, उसको एक हेडिंग देना है आपको, और फॉर्म शुड हैव अ बॉर्डर. फॉर्म को क्या होना चाहिए, बॉर्डर भी होना चाहिए, और टेक्स्ट को कलर होना चाहिए एंड इट शुड बी रेड. और टेक्स्ट का कलर कौन सा आना चाहिए, रेड. ओके, देन फॉर्म को दो बटन्स होने चाहिए, वन इज फॉर सेंडिंग द डेटा एंड वन इज फॉर रिफ्रेशिंग और रीलोड द पेज. ओके, then and form should contain what, name, then contact number of office is compulsory, then month should be there, number of years completed between 1 to 30. Okay, so this is the coding. Now we will sorry, this is the question. Now we will do the coding for this question. Okay, so let's go in notepad और फाइल में जाके न्यू. ओके, again we will write what, HTML, title. Title is optional. If you want to write you can write, otherwise no need. So what we are going to give your office के बारे में लिख रहे हैं हम लोग. So we are writing your office details. So I'm giving the title as office details. Close the title. Then next, style should be included. So style में क्या बोला है कि उसका जो हेडिंग दोगे आप, हेडिंग आना चाहिए, राइट. सो फिर वो हेडिंग को बॉर्डर आना चाहिए, ऐसा बोला है. ओके, सो हेडिंग शुड कंटेन व्हाट, बॉर्डर स्टाइल. सो बॉर्डर स्टाइल कौन सा भी आ सकता है, जैसे कि सॉलिड, डैश, डॉटेड, ऑल दैट आर द बॉर्डर स्टाइल. सो यू कैन गिव एनी बॉर्डर स्टाइल. So suppose I'm giving you, giving here dotted. ओके, उन्होंने मेंशन नहीं किया कि मुझे कौन सा चाहिए, बस सिर्फ बॉर्डर का स्टाइल देना है. सो आई एम राइटिंग बॉर्डर स्टाइल एज डॉटेड एंड टेक्स्ट कलर इट शुड बी रेड. Close this. Only this one thing you have to give the style. Then close the style. Okay, आपको फिर close करना है. फिर सॉरी हेड क्लोज नहीं किया. Okay, we'll close the head. Then start the body. बॉडी के बाद आपको फॉर्म चाहिए, सो हम लोग फॉर्म लिखेंगे. ओके, देन H1 आना चाहिए क्योंकि आपने H1 दिया है. अगेन हियर अलाइन सेंटर करना है तो करो, अदरवाइज नॉट नेसेसरी. ओके, LIGN अलाइन इज इक्वल टू सेंटर. कंपल्सरी क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया है. सो अलाइन सेंटर. Then name of our heading is what we are giving, office details. So we are writing your office details. Then close H1. Next line. तो क्या क्या चाहिए था? Name. Okay, so enter name colon then input type. Input type क्या रहेगा? नाम के लिए text. Okay, so we are writing your name also. We can give any name. I am giving you T fun and okay. The next thing is number, means office contact number. Okay, so we are going to write your contact input type. Input type should be what now here? It is tel. So what? Telephone number. So we are going to write here input type should be what? Tel. Okay, and you can give the pattern also here. Pattern कैसा आएगा? हम लोग लैंडलाइन नंबर लिख रहे हो. सो व्हाट वी विल राइट, पैटर्न कैसा रहेगा? लैंडलाइन नंबर में स्टार्टिंग में फर्स्ट कोड रहता है 0251. फॉर कल्याण इट इज 0251 लैंडलाइन कोड. सो लाइकवाइज 0251. सो यू शुड हैव 4 digit, राइट? सो वी कैन गिव 4 digit. So I'm writing a pattern, inverted comma. So pattern number should be between 0 to 9. Okay, then कितना आना चाहिए? लैंडलाइन नंबर के लिए 4 digits. ओके, 00251. सो 4 digits. ओके, फिर डैश आना चाहिए. अगेन नंबर 0 to 9 के बीच में ही होगा और बाकी रिमेनिंग 2 6 4 8 7 8 I think it should be 8 digit number something. So I'll just write like this 09 and 8 digit number. Okay, 8 digit और लैंडलाइन नंबर आजकल कौन यूज़ करता है? दैट्स वाई. ओके, वॉट एवर इट इज़, इफ इट इज़ 8 digit or 7 digit or 6 digit, राइट दैट मच over here. Then so this much is so this is our contact landline number. So 0251, that is a code. If it is a Mumbai's code, then it is a 3 digit like 022. Okay, 022 is Mumbai's code, and then again the 8 digit numbers will be followed. Okay, so this is a pattern. And one more thing they have told that this contact number is compulsory. अगर compulsory बोला रहेगा तो आपको क्या लिखना पड़ता है? Required, यानी वो रेड कलर के एस्ट्रिक मार्क में आएगा कि ये कंपलसरी है. ओके, now give break. ओके, यहाँ पे मैंने ब्रेक नहीं दिया, so here also we will give 2 breaks. Okay, then the next thing, you want month. Okay, so month. और we can write here select month because हम लोग इसमें month calendar देने वाले हैं. Okay, so we will just write select month, and here we are going to write what? Input type is equal to month. सो मंथ विल बी डिस्प्लेड. हम लोग मंथ को सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. देन आई एम गिविंग ब्रेक, अगेन 2 breaks. देन नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? मंथ के बाद आपको क्या सेलेक्ट करने का था? ईयर ऑफ सर्विस. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट ईयर ऑफ सर्विस. इन्होंने नंबर दिया था कि कितना नंबर होना चाहिए. ओके, सो इनपुट टाइप विल बी व्हाट, योर नंबर. इनपुट टाइप type is equal to number, and number बोला है 0. सी द क्वेश्चन, आई विल शो यू. नंबर कितना कितना इसमें आना चाहिए. नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स कंप्लीटेड बिटवीन 1 to 30. सो हमको 1 to 30 के बीच में, सो मिनिमम शुड बी 1 एंड मैक्स शुड बी 30. सो इतने ही बीच में उन्होंने काम किया हुआ. शुड बी 1 एंड मैक्स शुड बी व्हाट. Breaks again, and I think this much only is needed. Okay, from the user, yes. Then we have to create only 2 buttons over there. So we will now create what, input type. 2 buttons we want to create. So we are going to create now input type is equal to what, 2 buttons. One is submit button and the another one is refresh button. So input type submit. Here the value should be, you can write OK or submit, but it is mentioned that you should submit the form. So I am going to write submit. फिर सबमिट के बाद आपको और एक बटन बनाना है रिफ्रेश करने के लिए. सो इनपुट टाइप इज इक्वल टू इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, यू वांट टू राइट योर रीसेट, राइट. हमको रीसेट करना है, रिफ्रेश करना है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट लाइक दिस. देन वैल्यू क्या आएगा यहाँ पे, value we are going to write what, refresh. Okay, so refresh. Now our form is completed, so we are going to close the form, we are going to close the body, and lastly we will close HTML as well. Now save this file with pract7 practical7.html. Okay, now let us see the output. Where is the output? Is on the desktop. So double click and see the output. See, this is the office details. Office details font color should be red, so border का भी color red आया. Okay, that. And enter name, यहाँ पे आपको नाम enter करना है. Then यहाँ पे contact 022 dash, we want to follow this rule. If you're not following this rule, see what will be the output. Please match the requested format. So आपको requested format को match करना है. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now let's move further. Select month. Here the calendar should come. So why the calendar is not coming? Something is wrong. It is correct. Input type month. Okay, here there is a mistake. Double inverted comma. Okay, I will save this and let us see. Refresh it. Select month, input type month. Now everything is correct. Input type till, right? Pattern is given 3 digit and it should be followed by 8 digit. So this is also correct. And then required is also correct. It is compulsory. Select month, input type month, input type number. Okay. changes our this is N1. Okay, I will save it. Now let us see the output once again. This should show the calendar. Why it is not showing the calendar? Here it is min max. This is right, but here it is not showing me the calendar. Why it is not showing? We have written right coding. Here the coding is right. Month display करना चाहिए. Okay, I will do one thing. I will just see it in another browser. I will open this coding in another browser. This is Mozilla Firefox. अभी हम Google Chrome में open करके देखते हैं. If there is any issue, let us see it. Open with Google Chrome. Let us see whether it works or not. It takes too much time to open. Now it is correct. See, it should display in this way. So this Mozilla Firefox is not supporting month. Here it is coming. Okay. So see, now we will enter the name, month. If you are writing input type month, then it should display in this manner. And input type date also, if you're writing, then that time also it is going to show you the date picker. So I have opened this. मैंने ये कोडिंग Mozilla Firefox में ओपन किया तो मुझे ऐसा नहीं आ रहा था. Means it seems that Mozilla Firefox is not supporting this tag. Okay, input type equal to month नहीं support करता है. So I have opened this file in Google Chrome. Okay, so Google Chrome में ये support करता है. So it has opened this. But yes, it is supporting this also, min and max. So now write any name over here, then write the contact number. Contact number is 002 dash whatever, it should be in 8 digit. Then I am writing month. So कौन से month में select करो, suppose January ही लिखा है, year is different. Suppose I am writing the year, I am selecting the year. Suppose 12. Okay, then so how many years? 10 to 21 means 10 years has been completed. So I'll just write your 10 years of service. Then submit the form. Okay. So please match the requested format. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. one more digit we want. Okay, now we will submit the form. Yes, now the form has been submitted, so successful. Now, so this is the way. Now in your paper, in theory paper, you cannot check whether this work, whatever you have written the code, that is going to work in Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. आपको चेक करने को नहीं मिलेगा, आपको सिर्फ कोडिंग लिखना है. सो कोडिंग लिख के ही आपको सिर्फ उतना ही आपको बराबर है कि नहीं. दैट्स इट. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू सी द आउटपुट. सो आपको ये जो लिखा हुआ रहेगा ये करेक्ट है, देन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट फुल मार्क्स फॉर this. Okay, so this is how today also we have solved two more questions. Now in the next lecture also we will see two more types of questions. So this is all for today. See you in the next lecture. Till then, take care, be safe and enjoy learning.